Jokes are a great way to entertain ourselves. Americans have jokes too. Today I'll tell you 5 jokes and let's see if you find them funny or not. Okay, let's let Sam do the stand-up show.
Did you know the first French fries weren't cooked in France? They were cooked in Greece. What? Wasn't that funny?
I know the joke is silly, but the punchline of this joke is the word Greece. Greece is a country, but there is another word which has the same pronunciation, and that is grease or oil. So we all know to cook French fries, you gotta fry them in oil. Let's hear the second joke.
How about this one? I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. This one was funny, right? You know, gravity, anti-gravity. No.
The punchline of this joke is a very common phrasal verb, to put something down. When you put something down, it means you set it on a surface. So, if you stop holding a book, it will fall because of gravity. Since the book is anti-gravity, it won't fall. Let's hear the third joke.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Why did the man fall down the well? Because he couldn't see that well. See that well.
The joke is about 2 meanings of the word well. One is a hole in the ground from which you get water, oil, or whatever. It's a noun, by the way. The other one is an adjective, and it means very much or to a great degree. So it's hard to explain the joke, but the 2 meanings of this word is literally the punchline of the joke.
Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. No?
A scarecrow is a doll farmers use in their farmlands to prevent the birds from eating their crops. But to be able to understand a silly joke, you need to know the meaning of outstanding. Outstanding means fantastic. If you perform outstandingly, it means you were perfect, great, awesome. But when you look at the word outstanding, you see it can mean to stand outside. So the scarecrow is outstanding on the farm. Does that make sense? And the meaning of field is 2 things. One, the major or the profession you're taking on, and the other one is the literal meaning of it. A land. God, it's hard to dissect the jokes. I feel exhausted.
I think this one is going to be funny, I'm sure. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Wasn't that funny? God damn it, man. I'm out.
This one is a little funny. The punchline of the joke is the pronunciation of the words to and to. So the bike can't stand because of its 2 tires. And when something is too tired, it means it has 2 tires. God. Too tired, too tired. You know? Anyway, just wow. That was tough, man. Don't forget to save and like the post, because that's how Instagram works. Until next time. See ya. Alright, let me tell you a real joke. There are 2 things missing in Iranian education system. Number 1, education. Number 2, system.